Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am AttiDude, back in another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about creating a first program in Java. If you haven't liked, share, subscribed my channel yet, do it now. I'll provide more content like this. So to get started with Java, we first need to open up the program called Notepad++. You can use any other program like Notepad, Microsoft Visual Studio, or any other. It's up to you on which software do you use. So I'm using Notepad++. You can download it for free on its website. So first of all, we need to select the language, which language we are going to write in. So we select Java, and so now selecting the language makes it easier for us and for the software to detect certain keywords and many other things easily. So first of all, we'll write the keyword class. You can see that it is in purple color because the software has detected that class is a keyword. So now we'll need to write the name of our class. I'm writing hello YouTube. Okay. So this is the name of the class. You can modify it whatever you want. It's up to you. What name do you give to that class? So in the next line, we open up the curly brackets, close that, and we'll now need a function in which we will execute our code. And in Java there is a function which is generally called so we'll use that. It's an inbuilt function. Public is a keyword that we use for member accessibility. Public keyword attached to any object. That object can be referenced from anywhere, but we'll need to take care that a class is also set to public, like this. Public class, hello YouTube, and then we will write our method, which is public static. Static is a keyword that is used when we do not need to take reference of the same class again and again, because at some point in Unity there are certain classes in which you have just one class which is not going anywhere. It is just one. It is not gonna be attaching to any game object, but then you need to take different references of that. But the static keyword makes it easier, so that we just need to write the name of our class, hit a dot, and then whatever function or variables we need to call, it will be calling. So here public static void. Void is the standard keyword that is used in Java, C#, and many other languages for defining function. A function. And then we'll need to name a function main. That is the name. If you write any other thing, it will not be executing them. And then the method main takes string args. So we need to write that, and then in here we will execute our code. So we'll do this by writing system.out.println. This is the standard syntax which we use to print something in command prompt. So it takes in string. So we'll write here hello YouTube, and note that strings are always written in quotes and always a semicolon after we execute. some command. Okay, so this thing is ready for our use. We'll save this in E drive, and it needs to be the same name as of our class. Ctrl V, and then we'll need to select our language Java, then write the Java in E. Okay, and hit save. So now we open command prompt or CMD E, write that, so it opens up E, and then Java C, the name of our class, that is hello YouTube .java. It will compile, and now you see that there is no error, and then our file is ready to use. Java C is a program that you can use that comes free with JDK. The JDK version I'm using is 14, JDK 14, and you can download that from its official website. So in E, now when it has compiled, it is time to run the code. We do this by writing Java and then hello YouTube. We don't need to write the .java thing, and then hit enter. Hello YouTube. That is success. Hello YouTube was the string that we gave it in here, and it ran the same. It executed what it was ordered. So now we'll use a string variable. I'm going to name this message, and we define this as, in quotes, hello YouTube. Okay, and instead of this we write message. Okay, open up CMD Java C, hello YouTube .java. Compile, there's no error. Now it's time to run Java hello YouTube. Okay, hit OK. Yes, it prints out. Okay, so now it's time to write something. String here, plus is used to add to messages. We need to leave a space here, or it will not do anything. It will not leave a space. Okay, so we'll not compile Java C hello YouTube .java. Yes, compile, no errors. Java hello YouTube. Hit OK. String hello YouTube. It print what it was ordered to. So now here I will take integer equals to I'll write like 10. Okay. Float. I'm going to name this decimal equals to like 25, no, 12.5, and a booleans are used like bool, B-O-O-L, bool. I'm going to name this boolean or true false equals to false. Currently set it to false, and then we're going to be copying this, paste that, and here we'll write integer plus integer, right float, maybe decimal, float. Here we write boolean and true, false. Okay, the program is ready to run. Java C hello YouTube dot Java. That's an error because we'll need to write F whenever we define a float, and here we need to write bool. All of them are in small letters. So now we can compile that again. Java C hello YouTube dot Java, and there's still one error because it's defining that it is a class. Boolean and yes, it is ready to run. Java hello YouTube. Yes, string is hello YouTube, integer is 10, float is 12.5, boolean is false. It did what it was ordered to. String gave message which was hello YouTube, integer it gave the integer which was 10, in float it gave the float decimal value that was 12.5, and in boolean it gave true false which was set to be false. And here is our program success. So guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't liked, share, subscribed yet, do it now. I'll provide more content like this. I am AttiDude, signing out. Yeah.